Hey everybody, hope you're doing great today. Just wanted to say a quick thank you. I'm at 18,200 subscribers, and it really is beyond me to see this channel just keep growing. But that is not on me. That is on all of you guys that watch my videos every day. Those of you who subscribe to the channel, those of you who have become members to my channel. You're the reason. Thank you guys so much. And I do want to remind you, you can join the channel now for just 99 cents. Beginning on January 1st, 2023, the MVP, VIP, and Pro members levels will all be gone, and all those perks will drop down to the Ebuzz Central members. Great way to support the channel and a great way to support the content you like. So thank you guys so much. Now, honestly, this channel has been around for about 2 years. Really, about a year ago is when I really started doing more videos consistently. And then in the last 2 months, I have tried to drop a video every day. I think I've missed 2 or 3 days, but I try to get as much information out there as possible to you all, just so you can enjoy it. Well, having done that, I've had a lot of people reach out and a lot of people that want to partner with the channel. So basically what I want to let you know is what's pretty much going to happen over the next 90 days with the channel is I am still going to cover new Linux distributions and applications. But I want to announce a couple things here today. Tuxedo Computers will be partnering with the channel to sponsor some videos and also shoot us over some hardware so we can cover some open source hardware. When I say open source hardware, what I really mean by that is it's designed specifically for open source and Linux operating systems, and of course, Linux applications. So Tuxedo's going to be coming on. They're going to be helping us do some things and bring some information to y'all. So I'm really excited about that, but I wanted you, the community, to know about it as well because it's a big step for this channel. I think we've had only a couple sponsors over the first 2 years, but things are starting to speed up a little bit, and I'm going to be able to start bringing you better content supported by people that are committed to open source and committed to where it's going. People like Tuxedo Computers. So thank you so much, Tuxedo. Look forward to working with you. The next thing I want to announce is that B-Link will be sponsoring some videos in the next 90 days, and also sending us over some hardware that we can put different Linux distributions on and take for a spin. Now, you're probably familiar with B-Link. This is what Manjaro has been putting their operating system on and selling on their website. But you don't have to buy it through Manjaro. You can get it directly from B-Link, and they're going to be putting out some special deals for the viewers of the channel, the same as Tuxedo. So you're going to be able to see the great hardware, and then if you want to try it out, there will be a way for you to do it and do it affordably. So I want to say thank you to B-Link. I'm looking forward to that. Staying in the vein of open source, I want to send a shout out to Purism because they're going to be sponsoring some videos on the channel. And also, they're going to be sending over a Librem 14 laptop for us to take a look at. And also, there have been people in the past that have had some issues with refunds and things like that through Purism. And we're going to go over some of those issues. But at the same time, I have spoke to Kyle at Purism, and hopefully the end of January, 1st of February, we're actually going to have a sit-down interview right here on the channel with him, and we'll be able to ask questions, find out what's up, and try to get some of this smoothed out, because I think Purism is good for the community. We just need to iron some things out and get that in front of the people in the community. So looking forward to that as well. Also want to go ahead and make a point that I use GIMP and I use Krita quite a bit, and Inkscape on Linux. But I want to cover hardware that you can use with that as well, especially with your GIMPs, your Kritas, Inkscapes. Sense Labs is going to partner with the channel over the next 90 days. I'm going to be able to show you different things that you can do with their tablet, their pen tablet. They're going to send one over so we can kind of go through the paces and show you how it works on open source software, on GIMP, on Krita. It works splendidly. I'm just going to tell you that right off the bat. So that's some of the upcoming information we're going to be getting from Sense Labs, but I wanted to let everybody out there know about that. And this one I'm really, really excited about. CLX Gaming is actually going to work with the channel. What we're going to do is we are going to do a 10 video series on gaming on Linux using a piece of their hardware that they're going to send over. It's going to be everything from using native Linux games, doing Steam, running it through its paces, doing AAA gaming, getting it set up, doing instructional videos on how you get it set up, going over the hardware, how to set it up with AMD, how to set it up with NVIDIA, and really taking a deep dive into it. And we're also going to be doing a deep dive and putting the Arch-based Steam OS on it, showing you how you can get it set up there. But really just a big 10 video series on gaming on Linux. It's going to be amazing, and I cannot wait. The channel is still going to concentrate on Linux distributions and applications, but I'm going to stretch it out now. It's going to have more full-featured content for the viewers and give you different things to watch. And just thank you guys so much. You made this possible. Looking forward to working with CLX Gaming. OnlyOffice is going to be partnering with the channel too over the next 90 days. We're going to do a 10 video series on the new release of OnlyOffice. We're going to cover everything from the docs to the spreadsheets, to the presentations, to all the new PDF tools that are available inside of OnlyOffice. But basically, it's going to be a video series from download and install and setup, and specifically going through every single function that this application does and showing how you can pretty much get it set up, replace Microsoft Office, or replace whatever Office suite you might be using on the cloud and have it locally. It's open source. It's easy to use. It's a beautiful application. So looking real forward to working with OnlyOffice on that. Proxmox. I'm going to do a video series on Proxmox. I've been using this quite a bit lately, guys, especially in my IT work. And I want to tell you something. It's probably one of the best virtualization applications I've ever used, especially if you have an old laptop laying around. You got an old laptop laying around? I'm going to do a video series on how you can throw this on an old laptop. Just set it off in the corner somewhere, and you can run virtual machines to your heart's content. It makes it easy. You're not running it on your local machine, so you're not having to deal with a Type 2 hypervisor. Proxmox is a Type 1 hypervisor and really makes virtualization easy, especially if you're the kind of person that likes seeing my videos and saying, hey, I want to give that distribution a shot. You can download it, throw it into your Proxmox machine, and get it up and running and be able to take it for a test drive, but it not be on your local system and suffering from the performance of a Type 2 hypervisor as opposed to a Type 1. So Proxmox is definitely fun to use, and I promise you, if you got an old laptop laying around, after you watch my video, all you're going to want to do is set it up. So we got that coming in the next 90 days. And last but not least, DaVinci Resolve is actually reached out, and we're going to be doing some videos on the channel. And I'm going to be doing an in-depth series on how to install DaVinci Resolve on Debian, Ubuntu, Arch, whatever you might be using. We'll go through each major distribution and show you how you can install DaVinci Resolve on there. DaVinci Resolve reached out. It's going to be a great partnership. But I'm telling you right now, all these companies that I just mentioned previously, anything that they're going to send me to use, they're not requiring me to say anything positive about it. All the opinions I give will be my own opinions. That's very important. I wouldn't do it any other way, but you guys have brought Ebuzz Central to a point now to where it's not just you guys watching it. Other people are seeing it. Other people are reaching out and saying, hey, here's our open source, or here's our product, and we want you to show it to your fans because we think they might like it. I'm actually growing to the point now to where I can do that, and I can bring better content to you, the viewer, better content to you, the member, and I'm just thanking you guys so much. You're the reason I'm able to do this, and I just wanted to reach out today and kind of give you a heads up of what the next 90 days is going to look like and what 2023 is going to look like. It's going to be an exciting year. There's going to be a lot of growth on the channel. There's going to be a lot of growth for everybody that watches the channel. I can just feel it. So, in closing, thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm looking forward to 2023, and let's do this. Please do me a favor before you leave today. Please like, subscribe, or follow my channel. The more likes I get keeps me in YouTube's algorithm, which means the information you just saw in this video, if it was helpful to you, it can be helpful to somebody else. And subscribe. Doesn't cost anything, and if you end up not liking me, you can always unsubscribe. If you like the channel and enjoy the videos that we are producing, we are on 3 separate platforms, YouTube, Utreon, and Odyssey. And you can become members on all 3. On YouTube, it's only 99 cents. On Utreon, it's $2.99. And on Odyssey, it's $4. You can also buy us a cup of coffee, maybe go over to PayPal and throw us a donation, or go to Patreon and become a patron to the channel. All those links will be in the description below. As always, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next video.